I'm going to discuss 4 different methods with you on how you can make money from home and how to make money online. These methods are practical, accessible, and can be tailored to suit your unique skills and interests. The first method I want to talk about is print on demand. By that I mean things that you can print on, such as t-shirts, bags, mugs, and so on. There are many different websites that offer print-on-demand services. These platforms handle the printing and shipping for you. This means you don't need to worry about managing inventory, dealing with shipping logistics, or even the printing process itself. Everything is taken care of by the website. Your role is to create a design, upload it, and then the platform takes care of the rest. One popular website for this is Printify. With Printify, you can have a wide range of products. For example, you can create t-shirts, candles, bags, and much more. The platform provides a user-friendly interface to upload your designs. Once your design is uploaded, you can set up your store and start selling on platforms like Etsy. Etsy is an excellent marketplace where you can showcase your designs and reach a broad audience. Customers who find your designs appealing can purchase them directly from Etsy, and Printify will handle the printing and shipping. Another well-known print-on-demand platform is Redbubble. On Redbubble, you can also upload your designs, and they will take care of the printing and shipping for you. This site is particularly popular among artists and designers for its ease of use and wide range of product options. By leveraging these platforms, you can turn your creative designs into products that people can buy without the hassle of handling physical inventory. Redbubble also offers a variety of unique products like wall art and phone cases, expanding your potential market. It's essential to have a visually appealing design to stand out in the marketplace. I have a fantastic tool that can help you with this. This tool allows you to create all your designs, and it also offers many pre-made designs that you can modify to suit your needs. The tool is called Kittle. In the video description below, you'll find a link where you can create a free account at Kittle and get started with your designs. If you're aiming to take your design skills to the next level, I also have a discount code that lets you upgrade to a pro account, and you can find that information in the description as well. Kittle is a powerful design tool that offers a lot more than just creating basic designs. It includes features like pre-made templates and advanced customization options, which can be incredibly useful for creating unique and professional-looking products. The tool's intuitive interface and vast library of design elements make it accessible even if you're not a design expert. When designing for a t-shirt or any other product, I highly recommend focusing on a specific niche. What do I mean by this? Targeting a specific audience can help you tailor your designs to meet their preferences and needs. For instance, if you design products for moms-to-be, make sure your designs cater to that group. By focusing on a niche, you make your products more relevant and appealing to a particular audience, which can increase your chances of making sales. Additionally, remember to always tweak and personalize your designs. Avoid just copying existing designs. Instead, modify and adjust them to make them unique. For example, when you're using Kittle's design tool, you can experiment with different colors, shapes, and elements to create a design that stands out. This process involves some creativity and experimentation, but Kittle provides a lot of options to help you with this. Once you have your designs ready, you can upload them to print-on-demand websites like Printify and Redbubble and start promoting them through social media or your online store. The key is to be consistent with your design updates and marketing efforts. Regularly refresh your product offerings and engage with your audience to keep them interested and coming back for more. Engaging with your customers through social media platforms can help build a community around your brand, which is beneficial for driving repeat sales. Utilizing social media advertising can also amplify your reach and attract more potential buyers. Now, let's move on to the second method for making money from home: working as a freelancer. Platforms like Fiverr make it easy to sign up and start offering your skills and services. Fiverr is a versatile platform where you can offer a wide range of talents. Whether you're into graphic design, writing, digital marketing, or any other skill, Fiverr provides a marketplace where you can connect with clients who need your services. For example, you can offer services such as creating logos, designing thumbnails, or producing custom images. The great thing about Fiverr is that you can use tools like Kittle or Canva to assist with your freelance work. Not only can you design various elements using Kittle, but it also offers an AI tool that helps you generate images. This feature can be particularly useful if you need to create high-quality visuals quickly. Additionally, Fiverr allows you to set your rates and work on projects that interest you, providing flexibility and control over your work schedule. Here's a practical example. If you're offering logo design services on Fiverr, you can use Kittl to create and customize logos. Simply type logos into Kittl, and you'll see a variety of logo options. You can then tweak these logos to meet your client's needs. Kittl's AI logo generator can also assist in creating logos by just entering some text. This is a convenient way to generate logos, especially if you're not a design expert. Kittl also includes an AI text-to-image generator. This tool can create images based on the text you input, which can be valuable for producing unique visuals for your freelance projects. Additionally, Kittl offers a thumbnail maker that helps you create eye-catching thumbnails and images for various purposes. By leveraging these tools, you can enhance your freelance offerings and provide high-quality services to your clients. I've included a link in the description where you can create a free account at Kittl and explore its features. The third method for making money from home is by creating a YouTube cash cow channel. What do I mean by a cash cow channel? It's essentially a channel where you don't need to appear on camera, so you can do this faceless. Instead, you create videos that generate revenue thanks to the ads on your videos. YouTube pays you based on the ads that run on your videos. However, before you start earning money from YouTube, you need to meet certain criteria. Specifically, you need to have a minimum number of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. This means that it might take a while to start seeing significant earnings from your channel. A successful example of a cash cow channel is Alex.com. This channel features videos about luxury and fine living, but no one is in front of the camera. The channel has amassed a massive following with 4.5 million subscribers. The more views the channel gets, the more money it earns from ads. As the channel grows, so does the revenue. Additionally, you can create various types of content, such as product reviews, top 10 lists, or informational videos, to keep your audience engaged and attract more viewers. Another example is Tech Vision. This channel focuses on technology, and again, there's no one on camera. It's crucial to choose a niche for your cash cow channel. For instance, Tech Vision focuses on technology, while Alex.com is about luxury lifestyles. Choosing a specific niche helps attract viewers who are interested in that particular topic, making your channel more appealing and engaging. Creating a cash cow channel can be challenging, especially when starting out. You need to produce high-quality content that attracts viewers and keeps them engaged. Consistency is key, as regular uploads and well-targeted content can help grow your audience and increase your earnings. Engaging with your audience through comments and feedback can also help build a loyal viewer base. That brings us to the fourth method, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is my favorite way to make money because it can be combined with almost any other earning model. As an affiliate marketer, you promote products or services from other companies. When someone makes a purchase through your affiliate link, you earn a commission. This can be a lucrative way to earn money online. Here's how affiliate marketing works. You promote products or services through various channels, such as websites, blogs, or social media. When a customer clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you receive a commission. The commission rate can vary, usually ranging from 1% to up to 100%. While 100% commissions are rare, you can still earn substantial amounts through affiliate marketing. Some affiliate programs offer recurring commissions, meaning you earn a percentage of every sale made by the customers you refer, which can provide a steady stream of income. Social media is an excellent platform for affiliate marketing because it allows you to reach a large audience. For example, you might have a TikTok account where you promote affiliate products. On TikTok, you don't need to be on camera if you prefer not to be. You can place affiliate links in your bio and direct your audience to those links. It's essential to have a well-structured funnel to maximize your affiliate marketing efforts. I've included a free webinar in the video description that explains how to get started with affiliate and digital marketing. Check it out to learn more. Pinterest is another powerful tool for affiliate marketing. On Pinterest, you'll find posts with links pointing to either affiliate products or landing pages. Pinterest's visual nature makes it an effective platform for driving traffic and generating sales. Additionally, you can use Pinterest to create engaging pins that attract users to your affiliate links. In summary, there are many ways to make money from home or online. Whether you choose print on demand, freelancing, creating a YouTube cash cow channel, or affiliate marketing, there are plenty of opportunities to earn income from the comfort of your home. Each method has its advantages, and you can choose the one that best fits your skills and interests. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos about making money online. Don't forget to check the description for the free webinar. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.